Thank you for taking the time to look at CCP Interactive's digital lesson plans. Each ready-to-use resource is ideal for use on interactive whiteboards, projectors, tablets, and slates. For use on smartboards or any other brand of interactive whiteboard, our software is compatible with PC or Mac. Our highly interactive and engaging curriculum-based and Common Core aligned lesson plans inspire student interaction and are ideal for differentiated learning. Vowels Big Box is all 2 titles of our Word Family series combined into one interactive digital lesson plan package. Our 2CD 160 screen page interactive lesson meets the Common Core state standards. We build the full range of thinking skills that are essential for students' reading comprehension and understanding of important language arts concepts and are based on the 6 levels of thinking in Bloom's taxonomy. Topics include a wide variety of activities surrounding short and long vowel rhymes and onsets. The 8 chapters in all titles start off with vocabulary flashcards. These provide simple sentences for each short and long vowel word that will be used in the following activities. Touch a card to flip it and reveal the sentence. Touch again to return. Touch the arrow icons located at the top right of the screen to reveal more vocabulary cards. Touch the audio icon on any screen page to hear the accompanied voiceover. Hill. Climb to the top of the hill. The Working with Words section follows. Drag or touch the content on the screen to complete the activities. Touch the arrow icons located at the center bottom of the screen to reveal more activities for that category. Move to another category in that chapter by selecting the number icons located at the top right of the screen. At any time, touch the reset icon to start the activity over. Write using your finger in the designated sections. Undo or clear your work by touching the appropriate icons. An embedded counter keeps score of how many activities were answered correct or wrong. Every chapter contains its own interactive activity relating to the Working with Words section. Here is an example of one of the interactive activities taken from the closed chapter of the Long Vowels lesson. Detailed instructions are provided. At any time, touch the instruction icon at the bottom right of the screen to open the instructions again. For this activity, students complete the provided sentences with the word that makes the most sense from the 3 choices. Each word is represented by a picture. Every chapter also includes its own graphic organizer relating to the Working with Words section. Here is an example of one of the graphic organizers taken from the Make a Word chapter of the Short Vowels lesson. Detailed instructions are provided. For this graphic organizer, students are divided into 2 groups and are given a different rhyme. Using the rhyme, each group must create as many real words as they can within 3 minutes. From here, you may continue on to the following chapter or navigate back to the menu or content screen by touching the appropriate icons at the top of the navigational toolbar. You may also scroll through the thumbnail icons and touch one in order to jump to a specific screen page. You may also touch the navigational arrows located at the bottom of the navigational toolbar to move forward or backward one screen page at a time. At the menu screen, you may navigate to the teacher guide, contents, printables, or about screen pages. At the content screen, you may navigate to any of the chapters in the lesson plan or to one of the provided extension activities. Every interactive lesson in our Word Family series features a teacher guide with instructions for the teacher and rubrics that you can print, printable PDF versions of our vocabulary flashcards, graphic organizers, comprehension quiz, crossword and word search, and information about CCP Interactive and the lesson plan. Each interactive lesson also contains a memory match game that allows you to mix up the order of the cards for unlimited play, a crossword with separated across and down clues, a word search that allows you to undo and clear, and a Smart Response comprehension quiz available for Smart Notebook users with embedded Smart Response. A PDF version of the comprehension quiz is provided in our printable section. Thank you for seeing what's inside our Word Family series combined digital lesson, Vowels Big Box.